Okay. Now let's start. Now, how can find sine, cosine, tan about base angle? Base angle in that's mean quarter one. 0, 0 or 2 pi, same value. 30, that's mean power 6 45, power 4, 60, pi 1 equal to pi over 3, and 90 equal to pi over 3. Opposite 90 equal to 217. And opposite 0 or 2 pi equal to 180 or pi. So how can we find value sine, cosine, tan for each base angle or for each angle in one round? Sine theta, theta any angle. Maybe theta equal to 0, maybe 30, maybe 45, maybe 60, or maybe 90, 180, any angles. How can we find sine theta? Sine theta equal to square root, number finger down. For example, about 0 or about 30. 30, this is 30. Second finger. 30. It remains 30. It is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. It remains 30. Theta equal to 30. So it's 30. I said sine theta equal to square root number finger down 30 over 2. It is 30. How many finger over 30? How many finger? 1. Right? Square root 1 over 2. Square root 1 equal to 1 over 2. So I sent for you about table sine, cosine, theta. Sine theta equal to 1 over 2 or no? You can use your calculator equal to 1 over 2. Now, Lana, check about sine theta equal to 1 over 2 or no?
It is.
Yes, equal to 1 over 2. So, for example, cosine 30. Cosine 30. Cosine 30, theta is 30. Cosine 30. Or sometimes you say in grade 12, don't use 30, 45, just use by pi. Cosine pi over 6 or cosine 30. Cosine 30 equal to square root over 2. Square root 1, square root number finger up over 30. It's 30. How many finger over 30? 3, right? 3. So equal to square root 3 over 2. Cosine 30 equal to square root 3 over 2 in your table. About tan 30 for example. Tan 30, we have 2 square root, no over 2. Tan 30, of course you know about tan. Tan equal to sine over cosine. Sine over cosine. Right? Sine equal to number finger over 2. Cosine equal to number finger over 2. So 2 cancel with 2 equal to number finger or no? Like this. So tan theta or tan any angle is equal to number finger down over number finger up. For example, about cosine tan 30 or tan pi over 6. Tan 30. Okay. Tan 30 equal to number finger down. It's 30. How many finger? 1. Right, 1. Number finger up. 3. So equal to square root 1 over radical 3. After rationalize, you can write radical 3 over 3. So it is by about 30, about 45, about 0, say. For example, about 0 or 90. Sometimes some people say about 0 and 90 is difficult. How you know? You know by use finger or you know by another way. We have another way about limit angles. Limit angles is 0, 2 pi, pi over 2, that's mean 90, 180, and 270 is 70 is limit angles. For example, about 0, sine 0, sine 0, cosine 0, tan 0. Okay, it remains 0. Where is 0? It is 0. Okay, about sine. Number finger down. How many finger under 0? We have
0.